Yes, so it is no longer news. You can now receive and send payment using your PayPal account in Nigerian. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a working PayPal account in Nigerian. Unlike before, you can only send money with your PayPal account and cannot receive money with your PayPal account. This restriction has been going on for about 20 years now, and it is actually going to be difficult for a lot of Nigerians to believe that the PayPal is now working in Nigerian. A lot of you might actually doubt this, but here is actually the news. Let's read it together. So looking right here, it says, as of late January and early February 2026, the major update is that PayPal has officially returned to Nigerian with full unrestricted functionality for receiving and withdrawing funds through a strategic partnership with the Nigerian fintech company known as Pega. So they are now working hand in hand with a Nigerian company known as Pega. So that is why it is possible for you to be able to receive money from international payments now with your PayPal. So let me quickly show you how to create your own PayPal account without using any VPN. You don't need to hide your identity or your country. You just need to create it. I'm going to show you how to do that. But first, you need to have a phone number and also an email that you have not used to create any PayPal account before in order for you to create a new one here. All right, let's dive right in. So right here on your device like this, the first step you need to take in order to start creating a PayPal account is to go to your Chrome browser. You can easily go to your Chrome browser like this or any browser on your device. So you need to just go ahead and search for PayPal login. So let's simply search for PayPal login. So once you do that, you're going to see this option of log into your PayPal account. You can see that right here. So you just need to go ahead and click on log into your PayPal account like this. So right here, you can see the option of sign up here. So you need to go ahead and click on sign up. Once you do that, you can see two options. If you want to use the PayPal for business, you can go ahead and select business. But if it is for personal use like me, you can go ahead and click on personal use, then come right here and click on get started. Once you do that, you need to select your country. After selecting your country, go ahead and click on get started. Then right here, you need to go ahead and input your email. So after inputting your email like this, the next step you need to take is to go ahead and click on next. So right here, you need to go ahead and confirm your email. A code is going to be sent to your email, so you just need to go ahead and confirm the email. So after confirming your email, you need to come right here as well and input your phone number. So after doing that, you can go ahead and click on next. So here, you need to go ahead and confirm your phone number. The code is going to be sent to your phone number. You just need to check your phone and input the code like this. Once you're done with that, you need to come right here and input a strong password. Then go ahead and click on next. Then the next step you need to take here is to input your first name. After inputting your first name and your last name, you need to come right here as well and input your date of birth. Like this, go ahead and click on next. So here, you need to input your address. So after inputting your address, you need to click on this check like this. After reading their terms and conditions, then go ahead and click on agree and create accounts. So right here it says to continue, let's verify your identity. So you can click on agree and continue like this. So after that, this is the next page you are going to see. Looking here, it says take a moment to double check your address. So you need to make sure that the address here is the one on your ID that you are going to use to verify your identity, because they are going to eventually verify your address and all the information you are putting right here. So after that, you need to go ahead and click on confirm if you are sure that you are good with this. Go ahead and click on confirm like this. So right here it says confirm your address. Now looking here, you can see recommended. You can see that right here, and you can see original. So you can go ahead and click on recommended. So once you click on recommended like this, you can go ahead and click on confirm. Now right here it says tell us about your business organization. So looking here, you can see what your business is about. Let me just scroll and show you guys all the information you need to fill in here. What your primary currency is and all this, your address one, your city. You need to fill in all these details. Let's go ahead and start filling it. Your business name, you can name your business name, the name you are using for your paper account, your full name. You can just go ahead and type in your full name you are using for your paper account like this. So after inputting your full name like this, looking here, you can also see the option of what's your business registration number. If you already have a business registration number, you can go ahead and input that right there. But if you don't have, looking here, you can see where it says what's your primary currency for your business. You can leave it on US dollar, or you can go ahead and select US dollar, any currency you want to receive your payments on. Since you are using paper, it's actually on US dollar. So right here, you can see what do you sell, what service do you offer. You can go ahead and click on that like this. So when you click on that like this, looking here, you can see several options. So you can just select the option that actually fits the type of business you are doing. So here, I actually selected advertising service. Looking there, it says, do you have a business website? I'm going to select no. Likewise, every other information, you just need to go ahead and fill it. This information down here is actually similar to the one we filled before, which is our address. So once you're done filling in your information, you need to go ahead and click on next at the bottom of the screen. Once you do that, this is what you're going to see. Congrats, you are all set. So you can go ahead and click on go to home page. You can see that option here on the screen. Go ahead and click on go to home page like this and allow it to load up. So looking right here is our paper account. This is the home page of our paper account. This is a new paper account. So this is how simple it is to create a working paper account in Nigeria now. Now in my next video, I'm going to show you how to link it with your bank account so you can be able to withdraw your money from a paper account. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell. It has always been Daniel. See you in the next one.